proof you're about to do is called Pons Asinorum, also known as Bridge of Asses. Like donkeys, right? And the reason was, it was supposedly the sort of thing that could separate the kind of dumbos from the very intelligent people, right? So that's the idea. You obviously are about to overcome this challenge and be one of those intelligent people that is capable of doing it. But what is the point of it? Where did it come from? Originally, Euclid was trying to prove the aspects of an isosceles triangle. He was trying to prove that if you have a triangle, so let's say triangle ABC up here, and you have two sides congruent, can we prove that the opposing angles are also congruent? So the angle opposite this side and then the angle opposite this side. Can we prove that those two angles are congruent? Now, if you've taken any, elementary geometry at any point, you know that we just generally, this is how we define isosceles triangles. But at some point, it had to be proven. Now you're about to prove it also. It's a pretty intense proof, so buckle up and let's get started.